Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the concepts from spectroscopy and its applications. Before going to enter into the actual concept, first let us see the introduction to what is spectroscopy and what is the scope of the spectroscopy in engineering domain. Spectroscopy is the branch of chemistry where it deals with the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. When we are considering electromagnetic radiation, there are different segments in electromagnetic radiation are present with respect to their energy or wavelength. So when we move from left to right hand side, here you can observe there is a gradual increase in the energy of these segments are possible, and the wavelength of these segments will be gradually decreases. Highest energy kind of electromagnetic radiation will be cosmic rays and followed by gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation, visible radiation of 7 which are infrared radiation, microwave radiation, television rays and radio waves. All these are said to be various possible regions which are present in this in accordance with their energy. Let us go step by step application all these. When we consider cosmic rays are in the range of 10 to the power of minus 14 to 10 to the power of minus 12 meters. They are having wide applications. Being these are high energetic, these are not applied in our daily life activities. Instead, we can use this cosmic ray technology in navigation of spacecrafts. So spacecrafts mainly utilizes this type of high energy radiation. And second is about gamma rays. Gamma rays have wide extensive uses in our daily life. These are neutral kind of emissions and ranges from 10 to the power of minus 12 to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. Gamma rays are mainly used in medical equipments, especially tumor diagnosis, and followed by treatment conditions, we use gamma rays. So this is the kind of radiotherapy, so which will not cause any kind of harmful effect, but used to cure the tumor and what the carcinogenic conditions which are arised in the human cells. And even these gamma rays also used in astronomy and medicine tracer. So how medicine is working in our body after the administration, what is the function and how extent it is efficient. That kind of study is carried by these gamma rays. And next is about X-rays. These X-rays ranges from 10 to the power of minus 20 to 10 to the power of minus 18 meters. So X-rays are two types, soft X-rays and hard X-rays. Soft X-rays used in medicinal diagnosis purpose, and even hard X-rays used in industrial purpose for welding and also cutting of heavy machinery like that. So in that case, hard X-rays are used. So X-rays find applications in radiotherapy. Again, radiation used for the treatment of so many diseases, diagnosis of skeletal structure. X-rays are used to identify any fractures are present or any kind of malfunctioning or deformations present in the bones. Bone skeletal structure can be easily found by using this X-ray therapy. X-rays are easily, conveniently passes through the human cells. Ultraviolet radiation, it ranges from 10 to the power of minus 8 to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. And ultraviolet spectroscopy always associated with visible radiation. They found extensive applications in our daily life. Detection of forged bank notes, whether the currency is a real one or forgery. Any fake notes are present that can be easily found by ultraviolet radiation. And microorganism sterilization is also possible. Water sterilization and also atmosphere sterilization is possible by using this UV rays. And the surgical equipments can be sterilized by using ultraviolet radiation therapy. By radiating UV light, we can sterilize even food materials if any contamination is there by microbes. Then vitamin D production. Human body is able to generate vitamin D in the presence of ultraviolet radiation, and UV light also used in optical sensors. So they are working with the light. Then UV light therapy is also available, especially in the jaundice conditions. UV therapy is most important in order to cure, in order to align the functioning of liver. And next is about visible region. Visible region is the combination of 7 colors, which simply known as VGR. 10 to the power of -6 to 10 to the power of -4 meters energy region is said to be a visible region. As already we discussed, UV visible are combinedly studied, and combined applications will be there for these. And visible light is most important for all the human beings, because we are seeing the colors and whatever available in this visible region only. Human eye can trace and detect the whatever conditions are present in this visible light only. Our eye is able to detect the things which are present in this visible region only. Not only for that, so visible light is also important for or qualitative and quantitative analysis studies in research, and also in finding the color of the complexes. Then if any impurities present in the given compound can be easily analyzed by using this UV visible spectroscopy. And even molecular weight of unknown compounds can be easily predicted by UV visible spectroscopy. And infrared radiation is said to be a fingerprint for functional group identification. It is the most important segment of functional group identification. Any given compound that may be a simpler molecule to complex kind, but whatever functional groups present in that can be easily predicted by using infrared spectroscopy. It ranges from 10 to the power of -4 to 10 to the power of -2 meters. Night vision goggles. So we are not able to see in the dark light. In that case, infrared radiation will help us. And the most important foremost application will be functional group identification. And apart from this, it also utilized in forensic detection. In the fingerprint identification, we can use this infrared radiation, and also in the qualitative and the quantitative analysis, this infrared radiation can be used. In multi-component analysis, in the wireless communications like TV remote working, can also find infrared applications. And next is about microwave region. So everybody know microwave ovens can be utilized in the domestic purpose, and the large microwave ovens used in research purpose for carrying the green chemical reaction pathways. 10 to the power of -2 to 1 meter is the segment where you can find this microwave region. In this microwave region, the special application is for electron spin resonance spectroscopy. So hence you can say it is called a ESR spectroscopy, where lone pair of electrons, that means free radical type of materials, are paramagnetic kind of substances are freely detected by this microwave region. So it is especially used in the structural identification, and whatever mobile phone operations we are carrying, everything is done by this microwave radiation only. Microwave radiation is used to operate these smartphones, all these electronic gadget devices, and used to identify how extent moisture content is present in air, which is called humidity. And astrophysical applications in space and pyrolytic decomposition reactions can be easily determined by using this microwave spectroscopy. Pyrolytic reaction stands for where the reactions carried at very high temperature conditions. Those are called pyrolytic reactions. And the last and least energetic and the most extensive applications containing region is radio waves. Radio waves ranges from 1 to 10 meters And whatever radio wave technology we are studying is the part of nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, where nucleus is behaving like a magnet and which used to generate the valuable information in this radio wave region. So in radio wave segment, we are able to identify structure of unknown compounds and also whatever amino acids present in the living organisms called biomolecules, and consequent protein structure determination is possible. Carotenoids, which are important in the vitamin A. So in that case, the structure carotenoids are long chain hydrocarbons whose structure is conveniently predicted by these NMR spectroscopy. And the lipid profile, lipids also biomolecules, so which are having long chain fatty acids of saturated or unsaturated kind, which used to make oils and fatty materials. So these can be easily predicted by using this NMR spectroscopy. And also NMR is more prominent in the identification of living organisms, metabolic activities, and also functioning of each and every organ by the medicinal diagnosis process called magnetic resonance imaging. This is the most important medicinal application of NMR spectroscopy. Apart from that, it also used in isotope tracer. You can identify which kind of isotope is present and how it is working and how it is operated within the given reaction. That isotope tracing is possible by NMR spectroscopy. And drug discovery, whatever new drugs, new medicines are introduced into the market by the process of research by eminent scientists, those can be easily predicted by using this NMR spectroscopy. So mixture analysis, even mixture of compounds are present, we can identify what is the composition of individual materials and what kind of substances are present in that given mixture. All can be easily predicted by NMR spectroscopy. And we have NMR sensors. So these are working based on this magnetic nature and which are used in the detection purpose. So which can be utilized in the defense operations. So all these are the extensive applications of various segments of electromagnetic radiation. This electromagnetic radiation plays important role in our progress, advancement, whatever kind of operations we are doing now, mostly they are technology driven. That technology is given by the various regions of these electromagnetic radiations. So here you can see detailed applications of all these segments. Cosmic rays in space traveling, they are used to give the navigation, and those signals will drive us in the astronomical operations. And these are the extensive applications of gamma rays. Gamma rays are most important in radiotherapy in order to cure tumor kind of cells. Oncology operations, we are using these gamma cells. And surgicals, whatever apparatus, food materials, air, everything can be easily, conveniently sterilized by using gamma rays and used to detect how that medicine is working in our body. That medicine tracing property is also possible by these gamma rays. In astronomical operations, astronomy, so how the planets are moving, what are their orbits, and everything we can analyze, we can predict by using these gamma rays technology. X-rays are useful. So as already we discussed, soft X-rays mostly applied in these purposes, hard X-rays used in industrial applications. These soft X-rays used for the skeletal diagnosis. And whenever paintings are present, archaeological age of paintings can be conveniently predicted by using X-rays. Radiotherapy, we can use this X-ray radiation for the treatment of tumors, for the treatment of cancer cells which are generated within the body. And airport security scanning, if any illegal weapons or any kind of unauthenticated materials carried by the travelers can be easily detected by using this X-ray technology. Ultraviolet radiation, as already we discussed, Forgery notes, any fake notes are present, which can be easily detected by passing UV radiation upon this. So we can trace that barcode line by using this UV light. And this killing of pathogens, the hospitals where sensitive we know this, and one and only one wedding generated radiation, and it is generated in our body. Optical sensors are working based on the principle of this UV light, and in forensic detections used to find out the fingerprints and also trace the criminals, it is highly helpful. Visible region, as already we discussed, visible region is used to find out the complex molecular weight determination. It is extensively applied. Color of the food materials and also metal complexes you can easily find out by using this VIBGR 7 colors of light. When white light passes through the prism, it can split into 7 colors of light of various wavelengths. Red is at the top and blue is at the bottom. And this is about the structural elucidation. Any kind of organic compounds present in the given unknown mixture, you can easily find out its structure by using this visible light. And analytical, it is the analytical tool for qualitative and quantitative analysis of the given organic compound. Infrared spectroscopy plays a vital role in the research. It is especially used for the diagnosis of so many type of biomolecules. These many compounds, proteins, vitamins, enzymes, hormones, carbohydrates, so many type of bioorganisms can be easily conveniently identified, and functioning efficiency can be delineated by this infrared spectroscopy. In night vision goggles, you can conveniently see even in the night, in the dark, by using this infrared radiation. In the forensic detection, fingerprint identification, this IR radiation is most important. It is easy to predict the progress of the reaction, how reaction is proceeding and how it is enhancing in accordance with time can be easily found by using infrared spectroscopy. Impurity profiling is possible, whether the given compound or synthesized compound is in pure state or any contamination present in the given compound can be identified. TV remotes are working, operated based on this infrared light only. Microwave region is most important in microwave cooking panels, so the domestic purpose we can use. Apart from that, they are also finding applications in research, and also mobile phone signals are operated mainly based on this microwave region only. Structure of unknown compound can be predicted microwave radiation. And microwave radiation used to carry the reaction within short time, because microwave radiation when irradiated on the sample, there is a direct interaction between the sample and radiation, so that reactions are carried in the faster rate. In pyrolysis reactions at high temperature operations, you can apply these, you can monitor the progress of the reaction, how they are proceeding, everything by microwave radiation. And astronomical operations in the space study, we can apply this microwave radiation. Moisture content present in building constructions and even atmosphere can be conveniently predicted by irradiating this microwave light. Radio waves are used in television and radio communication devices, where wireless communication systems, all these are operating by radio signals only. And these radio waves are used in medical diagnosis called magnetic resonance imaging, which used to find the separate healthy organs from the diseased organs, and we can find out what kind of disease is present, and by which that patient is suffering. That minute malfunctioning of any kind of organism can be easily predicted by this MRI scanning. And radio waves are prominent in the identification of organic compounds. Most valuable information of organic compounds are given by these radio waves only. And this is also important in the diagnosis of amino acids and subsequent prediction of protein structure. Carotenoids are long chains which are the main composition of vitamin A. So these long chain carotenoid structure is also elucidated by these radio waves. This is all about the electromagnetic radiation and their extensive applications in human life. By this, we are going to conclude today's session. Hope this is very much helpful for all the people. Thank you. Thank you very much.